Hello, welcome to Soklip Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make egg roll. All our ingredients we had. I had a ground chicken thigh, 1.5 pound, and a chicken flavor soup mix, 2 tablespoons, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Fish sauce you don't like, don't put in, just use salt and the light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 4 tablespoon coconut cream, and noodle. This one clear noodle. This one you need to soak in water, warm water about 1 hour, and then this one 2 cup. I chop it this kind, and half cup chopped green onion, half cup chopped onion, and 2 cup chopped cabbage, and 1 cup chopped mushroom. This one I use oyster mushroom, and half cup carrot. I slice, and this is the wrapper I using. You can use any wrapper you like. And this one of bread flour for I using the when we wrap it. You can use egg yolk or the bread flour. Okay, now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients. 2.5 pound ground chicken thigh, and 2 tablespoon chicken flavor soup, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 tablespoon fish sauce. You don't like, don't use it, the fish sauce. And 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, and half teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and I'll mix it. And 4 tablespoon coconut cream, and the clear noodle. This one 2 cup. I chop it. The clear noodle you need to soak with the water for 1 hour. Now 2 cup chopped cabbage, and half cup chopped onion, half cup chopped green onion, 1 cup chopped oyster mushroom, and half cup sliced carrot, and mix. Okay, here is my bread flour. You can use egg yolk or all-purpose flour or cornstarch. I'm gonna add water. I use 2 tablespoons and adding water a little bit more. Just like that. Okay. Here's my wrapper. This one they put in a frozen, and you need to take out, leave outside about 1 hour and just peel it. This wrapper easy, but some a little bit harder. Just peel like that. Okay. And now I'm gonna wrap. Okay, here how the way I doing. I use 1 tablespoon. I gonna not make too big. I'll make smaller, easy to cook. Okay, just doing like that, and go. And 1 more, the other side. Make sure it's tight. And then this one though, bread flour. Just use like that. Here, I'm gonna wrap it. I just use 1 tablespoon. Okay, just doing like that. Just go. Okay, 1. I just do like that, and this side, other side. Make sure it's tight. Okay. This one, the bread flour. Okay, here. Okay, now my oil is hot. I use medium, but this stove we have the number. I use number 3, like a little bit lower than medium. Okay, here the one I already wrapped. I go number 4, medium. Here, put in. You have to, when they golden brown, it's cooked. Okay. Now here it's cooked now. You have to be careful. First I use medium, then I go low, and then I go make medium, and have to stay here and watching. Okay, now it's cooked. Just, you see. Okay, here is my chicken noodle, and I have a sauce, sweet sauce.